Hi, this cat is called Grasshopper Debug. We have this friend traveling abroad to the United States and try to write a function to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, and ultimately he wants to return whether it's freezing or not. However, there are a few bugs in it, so he called for our help. So let's go. Here we have his function, and what is he trying to do? It looks like he's calling this function to convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius, and then he wants to return whether it's freezing or not. So let's comment this out and take this step for step. Let's say that he wants to call this function. Well, first of all, he needs to use a variable and assign it the proper way with an equal sign. Then he has to call the function by name. And the argument is all right, you can put in whatever you want. And let's say that he wants to return the temperature. Then he should return it here. But ultimately, we have to return it here to have a look what the temperature actually is. So it is 50, our initial value. So let's take this away and uncomment this. So we are calling the function the right way. But as you can see here, we are working in Python, so we can remove this because the variable name can't have any white spaces. So Celsius is equal to the temperature, which is actually written wrong because this is the argument that we have to convert. From the temperature, we have to subtract 32. That has to be within the braces. And then we should multiply it by 5 divided by 9, not add it up. But if we want to return the temperature in a converted way to our main function from the helper function, we should return Celsius and not the temperature itself. If we execute this, we just get 50. But we want to convert it, right? So we have to return Celsius, the conversion. That would be 10 degrees Celsius. And that is what we are looking for. And then we can work with the conditions right here. So if C is above 0, then we say is a freezing temperature. Well, that should be the other way around. It should be less than 0 degrees Celsius to return that it is freezing. Let's try to execute it. Oh no, we have a problem. A type error, a unsupported operand type for float and string. So what we have to do here is to cast the float type to a string type. And here as well. Tada, 10 degrees is above freezing temperature. That looks good. What if we put in 23? That would be minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, all right. It looks like we have debugged the function of our friend. Let's test it out. Attempt. There we go. I hope this has been useful. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.